of the ball game.
Need my.
Tip off. Possession ng White. Casey handling the ball.
Oh, ang gulo.
The fuck, man? Fuck, man?
Ang gulo ah. Galaw-galaw.
Ate Pao, dito ako, Ate Pao. Casey, 9 to shoot. Welcome po. Pinasa kay Marian sa ilalim. Easy to fall. Samsung pinasa kay Ino. Ino driving. Good. Our score is all tied up now.
Kuya Gabon ang dadala. Drumal. No good. Rebound by number 22. Rebound. Kay number 22 ba din? Was foul rep? First free throw. No good. Second free throw. No good pa din. Same ball. Number 85. Nagat. 4-3. Bang!
First of the parlay. Casey cash out 600. Nate, pinasa kay Mariano. Mariano, power move. No good. Mariano, nakuha pa rin yung rebound. Easy 2 points. Kels ang dadala ng bola. Our score is 5-4 in favor of Team Yellow. Taro, isa pang 3. No good. Kuya Gabo, handling the ball. 16 to shoot. Passes to Nate. Nate, fake. Corner 3. It's good. Our score is 7-5 in favor of Team White. Kels, pinasa kay Samson. Pinasa kay Ino. Ino driving. Foul. Who's foul rep? First personal foul. First team foul. First shot is good by Ino. Second shot by Ino. No good. Rebound Nate. Passes to Casey. Casey nagmamadali. Step lang daw. Casey. Nag-iisipan ko to 3. 14 to shoot. Passes to Ravena. Ravena, isang 3. No good. Rebound Taro. Taro nagmamadali. 3v3 situation. Taro passes to Kels. Kels, layup. Short. Same ball. Ino, handling the ball. Passes to Samson. 12 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nice pass by Samson to Ino. Our score, 8-7 in favor of Team Yellow. Vega po, handling the ball again. 14 to shoot, passes to Casey. Casey, nagat na papasahan. 10 to shoot. Huli. Kuha ni Alvin, pinasay Kels. Kels nagmamadali. Kels, siya na mag-isa. Casey sumusunod. Behind the back pass to Taro. What a pass! Flashy pass by Kels. Vega po, handling the ball na. Tumingin ng screen, pinasa kay Nate. Nate, tumira ng 3. Is good! Nate Mariare for 3. Kels handling the ball. All 10 ang score natin. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Vega po, nagmamadali. Vega po, nag-aasang papasahan. Grabbing all the way! No foul. Who's foul rep? Ay. 89. First person foul, first team foul. 29. Sorry. Second? Okay, second. Second team foul din. Second shot. No good. Samson, nakita si Kels sa ilalim, pasa kay Taro. Taro, fake 3, binangga si Nate. Passes to Kels sa bitawan. Agaw ni Casey. Casey ngayon nagmamadali. Casey. Rattling. Basta kay Casey, everything is a good call. Taro, 16 to shoot. Taro, humingi ng skin kay Ino. Passes to Alvin. Alvin for 3! Our score, 13-11 in favor of Team Yellow. Nate, pinasa, no fake. Pull up, short. Walang kumuha, tapik ni Ino. White ball. Dapat change, Mike? Oh, 11. 11. Casey for 3, no good. Samson, layup. Tapik ka kay Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo, handling the ball. Kuya Gabo driving. Hanap si Rabel sa ilalim. Ang lakas pero rebound ni Mariano. Mariano take. No good ang easy layup. Pero nalinis, no good. Mariano again, no good pa rin. Rebound ni Samson. Samson pasa to kay Kels. Kels. Setting the ball, 18 to shoot. Samson fake 3. Driving. Short. Foul. Number 24. Change 5, mandatory.
White ball. Number 3, Gabo. Pass to Kuya Angman. For 2 points. Three by James. Jeremy, give me the ball. Pass to Yaman. Pass to Jeremy for 3 points. RJ. Pass to Taro for 3. Negative. Rebound by Gabo. Drives. Negative. Rebound by number 22. Wala. Cavales. Pass to Alvin. Kuha ng Rabel. 3 points by Gabo. Good. Rebound by number 22. 2 points by Mariano. 18-16 in favor of White.
Alvin for 3. No good. Rebound by number 22. Gabo. Pasok po yung as. Back to number 3. Gabo. To Yaman. Yaman for 2. 2 points. James. Pass to Alvin. To Alvin. For 3. No good. Rebound back. Alvin to Alvin. Up. Foul number 21, Cabales. Number 21, first personal foul, 14 foul, 1 for penalty. Ang yellow. Kuyaman for 2 points. Turn to 16 in favor of White. Ganito ka. James for 3. No good. Rebound by Aman. Boga. For 3. No good. Rebound by Alvin Cabales. Who's Barak? Foul number 3. Gabo. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Si Joshua tatawid po sa gitna. Taro. To Alvin. Alvin drives. No good. Rebound by Jason. Kuyaman. To Jeremy. For 3. No good. Rebound by Maharot. Alvin drive. No good. Rebound by Kuya Kas. Boga. For 2. 2 points. Taro. Dinadala ang bola. To Art. For 3. Jason for 2 points. Number 17. To Alvin for 3. No good. RJ. To Books. RJ. To James for 3. 3 points. Baba daw. 2 points by RJ. Alvin for 3. 3 points.
Our score 27-26 in favor of Team Yellow. Kuya Gabo handling the ball. Yan kay Kuya Kas. Kuya Kas nakita si Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman grabbing. Easy 2 points by Kuya Aman. Dino. Yan kay Kels. Kels agad ang papasahan. 18 to shoot. Nakita niya si Samson. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound Ino. What hustle play by Ino. Yan kay Kels. Kels. Floater. No good. Malakas. Kuya Gabo, humingi ng bola. Kuya Gabo, taking it all the way. Foul, who's power? 24. Ino. Third person of foul, Ino. First team foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Is good. May inspiration si Kuya Gabo. Si Rom Romeo. Casey naagaw pero hindi nakuha ni Kels. Kels! No good. Rebound Casey. Kuya Gabo humingi ng bola. Our score 30-27 in favor of Team White. 9 minutes remaining in second quarter. Kuya Gabo driving. Passes to Casey. Casey for 3! No good. Rebound Aman. Aman! No good. Rebound Kume. Kume driving the ball. Sa akin na raw to, sabi ni Kume. It's good. No foul is called, but shot is good. Casey. Pinasay Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo driving. Pull up. Is good. Pull up jumper by Kuya Gabo. Alvin may hawak ng bola. Alvin, pero sa kay Kume. Kume, nahanap si Ino. Nakita si Kels. 7 to shoot. Pull up jumper by Kels, no good. Rebound Aman. Kuya Gabo. Handling the ball, no look pass to Kuya Aman. Forces through. It's good. Kume, libre-libre sa tres. In and out. Casey ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Casey, the Nick. 11 to shoot. Kuya Cas for 3. Short. Rebound Kuya Aman. Reset shot clock. Now si Casey. Huli pa kay Ino. Ino driving. 3v3 situation, libre-libre si Kelsa. Kabilang ball. Our score, 34-31 in favor of Team White Pone. Pick up ball. Pull up 3! Kume. Pinasakit Alvin. Alvin for 3! Bang! Salitan lang ng 3. Mabawi kaya ang Team White ng 3. 17 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Reset shot clock tayo. Kuya Cas? No. Sorry about it. Casey, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound Kume. Kume. Out and pass to Kels. Kels, ilalim. Foul na naman Casey. Bakit si Casey? Ay, una pa lang pala. Sorry. First personal foul. First team foul. Kels' first shot is no good. Second shot. No good then. We are Gabo handling the ball. 3v5 situation. 4v5 situation. Ten to shoot. No good on 3. Rebound Casey. Casey pass to Kuya Gabo again. Kuya Gabo moving to the screen. Kuya Aman set the screen. Kuya Gabo pull up 3. No good. Casey. Fake 3. Pull up. No good pa rin. Casey. Out of pass to Kels naman. Hindi na salo ni Kels. Casey nakapag-straight na. Pero si Cedric tumatawa lang. Pinaplakpakan ba ni Cedric? Five minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Here Gabo. 7 to shoot. Stolen kills. Outlet pass na naman. Cherry picker. Curling. Mandatory change pa. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas. Ravenna handling the ball. Ravenna first Gigabo. 16-second shot clock. Gigabo driving crossover. Boom floater. Floater is good by Kuya Gabo. Ano yan? Warning? Okay. Taro, pull up. Di pala. RJ, dribbling, crossover, between the leg, pass it to Kume. 50-second shot clock, Kume for 3! Bang! Kuya Aman now handling the ball. It's a 2-point game. White leading by 2. 14-second shot clock. Kuya Aman, driving, forces through, easy layup. Kume, pull up 3. Kume, nag-hit up na. Second 3 of the game. Pangatlong 3 na pala. 15-second shot lang. Isa 1-point game, oy! Rep, bola, rep. Five seconds remaining. Taro. No calls. Oh, follow kay James is good. Follow kay James ha. Si James ako shoot. James. Dos. Score ha, score Paul. Shoot yung yellow. Stolen by Kume. Kume 2v1 situation. Kume pull up 3. Bang! It's a 4-point game. 4-point game. And that is Kume's fourth 3 of the game. Sino daw yun? Oh, come on. Chicken challenge up. Floater by Singapore, it's good. 2-point game, in yellow, leading by 2. Sorry, gutom na. Umubo nga lang ng isa eh. Harot for 3, Lua! Rebound, Nick pulling the ball. Hanap si Mariano. Hanap si Kuya Gabo. Pushing down the ball. Tigan na. In and out. Sa kanya na raw to. Short layup. Rebound Taro, outlet pass to Kume. Kume, nakita si JJ for 3. No good! Sayang yun. Assist kay Kume yun. Kuya Aman driving. No good. Rebound Mariano. No good din. Rebound Taro. Mag-isa lang si Kume. Kume, 5th 3 of the game. Yes, sir! Curie. Chicken Curie. All. 15 seconds shot clock. Defensive foul? No. No count. Who's foul ref? 25. 85, kalau 25. First personal foul, second team foul. Mariano grabbing, power move, no good. Rebound again by Mariano. Taro, patay ang butike. Ravenna, 2v3 situation. Ravenna, naghintay na kakampihan ni Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo driving all the way. No good, rebound Nick. Yes sir. Layup is good by Nate Mangiares. Okay, napunta ka sana mo yan, ha? 1 minute remaining in the second quarter. Team Yellow is leading by 1. Kume, 6-3 of the game. No good. Rebound Maharot. Back to Kume. Kume, 3 again. In and out. $43 seconds remaining in the game. Matigan naman. Turnover yung bola. Nate, nakuha ang bola. Use foul rep. Jump ball. Sorry. Down remaining in the second quarter. 13 seconds remaining. 12 seconds shot clock. Ayan na si Kuya Martin at Sunoy. Back in time for second half. Driving. Mariana power move. No good. Mariana again. Maharot. Pangyan si Maharot. First personal foul, 30 foul. Down remaining 31 seconds in favor of Team White. Leading by 2.
Bakit kausap mo ba yan? Hindi ko makakilala niya eh.
Sino? RJ for 3. No good. Short. 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. And mukhang last shot na to ng Team White. RJ picking up Kuya Gabo half court. Kuya Gabo. Passes si Kuya Aman. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knockout? Knockout rep? Good number 3, Walker. Starting off goal, rebound by Mariano. Casey. Casey. Okay. Good. 13 second shot clock. 12. No. Ano yung turnover? Traveling. Our next game after this is Team Black versus Team Green. Next week, semis. Lalim! Ang lalim nun! But good. El Granada with a layup. Casey driving the ball. Setting the ball. Casey. Nancy Bene. We have 3. Short. Rebound. Casey. Casey! Muntik na maagaw. Nakita niyo si Nate. Nate, pull up 3. No good. Rebound Bene. Bene, setting the ball. Bene mo naman, nabanang si Nate. Nate driving. Wow! Power move, pero pasok na kay Mariano. Pero good.
Layo.
Chris, no good. Rebound by Kuya Martin. Kume. Grab ball. And good. Alright, sino? Who's foul rep? First personal foul. First team foul. Kume, bonus shot is good. Bene, handling the ball. Casey, muntik na magawa ni Kels. Casey, driving all the way. No good. Ino. Nakita. Oh, napalakas yung pasa. Kuya Cass handling the ball. Pass to Ben. Ben pass to Cass. 16 second shot clock. Ben. Nahanap si Nate. 12 to shoot. Nate for 3. No good. Patay ang butikit. Outlet pass to Kels. Nasalo niya. Muntik na ma-out. Pero no. Naaga ni Nate. Ben handling the ball. Nate. No call. Pero turnover pa din. Good D by Team Yellow. May Kume daw. Gusto niya yung credit sa kanya lang. Passes to Kume. Kume for three. No good. Still cold after the second half. Casey handling the ball. Team White is leading by 1. 13-second shot clock. Casey finds Nate. Nate finds Mariano. Ang tigan na naagaw pa rin pala. Foul. Unsportsmanlike rep. Unspo. 15 Panginoon si Casey. Second personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul.
Uy, may ban.
One more foul. Parlay hit. Unspo.
Nakikita mo yung mga black.
Eno. Ashton Martin, pull up 3. Ay, 3. Pull up 2 is good. Lamang na ang yellow ng isa. Nagandang laban ulit. Just like last week. Ben handling the ball, 15-second shot clock. Ben, what nice D by Kels. Nagaw! Nice D by Kels.
Shoot!
Ooh, a foul. Second personal foul, 15 foul. Uy! Uy! Batay mo magulo. Suspended ka 1 game, ha? Oy. Magulo ka pa sa laro ni Kume, ha? First shot. Nice, good. Second shot. It's good. Kuya Gabo handling the ball. 15-second shot clock. Passes to Ben. Ben Drew running. Passes to Kuya Cass. Take 3. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Pull up 3. Short. Shot clock violation. Kuya Martin, pinag-isipan yung the try. Kume, ihak ang bola. 16-second shot clock. Eno driving is good. Nice move by Eno. Our score, 59-54. Time remaining. 6 minutes and 9 seconds. 15-second shot clock. Ben. Oh, munti ka na. 10 to shoot. Huli kay RJ. 2v2 situation. RJ behind the back. What a move, pero nice team.
Up.
White ball. Hindi. Wait lang.
Ben! Ben!
Sub daw. Dead ball. 18-second shot clock. Screen by Nate. Kuya Gabo driving all the way from Lothar. No good. Rebound Mariano. No good. Kuya Martin bringing the ball down. Kuya Martin sa kanya na raw to. Going coast to coast. And 1. Who's foul? Bang. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Low. Sub, rep. Sub din. Pasok ko yung aman.
Shoot!
Bonus shot is no good. Pero rebound ni Eno. Passes si Taro. Kume. Take 3. Ang finds Eno. Nice pass.
Nice connection.
Amazing.
Kuya Gabo. 15-second shot clock. Nice! Steal by Taro. Fast break is no good. Rebound by... No good. Rebound Nate. Pass to Kuya Gabo. Muntik na maagaw. Recovers it. Kuya Gabo. Sa kanya na raw to. Picked up by Taro. Man. Foul! Ino. Okay si Ino. Timeout! Who's timeout? 8. Ino, warning for graduation. First team foul. Ino, ulitin ko, warning for graduation. Lopez. Buzzer na? Bilis oh. Back to the ball game. Our score 63-54 in favor of Team Yellow. 2 shots. No good. Second shot. It's no good then. Rebound. Taro. We are earning the ball. Passes to Kume. Kume. No 3. Grab it. Agad bola. Jump ball. In a possession. White ball. Nothing. 18-second shot clock. Ben for 3. No good. Rebound Ben. Hindi ko nakikita. Wait lang. Kuya Gabo. 60-second shot clock. Finds Ben. Finds Mariano. No good. Now it's good. (56-63).
Dati wala yan.
Kume. 3. No good. Still goes after the second half.
Ayan, malaki. Ito mga maliliit.
Tapos tita, marami.
Oh, pero mga maliliit.
Like, pag malayo.
Oh.
Hindi naman. Pero
Bata
yung
ko. Hindi ko ba- 18-second shot clock. Kuya Gabo handling the ball. Kuya Gabo. Pull up 3. Short. Rebound. Mariano. Mariano reverse is good. Our score 63-58 in favor of Team Yellow pa rin. Kuya Martin. No good.
Ligit lang.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Floater is good. Time out. Team Yellow. Our scores. 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Team Yellow leading by 3. Kume handling the ball. Kume finds Samson. Samson, spin move! No foul called. Stolen by Mariano. Kuya Gabot, spin. Kuya Gabot, sa kanya na raw to. Floater, no good. Rebound ni Ben. Agaw ng Yellow. Taro, grabbing the ball. Taro, finds Kume. Kume, drags left. Finds Samson. Samson, thought about it. 14 second shot clock. Back to Kume. Kume. 8 to shoot. Taro for 3! Alex Sorsogon! Second 3, isang 3 na lang Taro. Cash out tayo. Okay lang. Cash out naman eh. Huli nga kay Kuya Martin, pero who's ball rep? Pangilan? Penalty. Second team foul. Ay, di pa. Second personal foul. Penalty. Di ba? Second team foul. Hindi ko alam eh. Ay, ito pala penalty. Palit bola, palit bola.
Pero sobrang lang.
Oo. Penalty white, di ba? Tingnan mo. Okay. Ay, white penalty warning. Okay. First shot is no good by Mariano. Mariano Grande. Oh, Mariano Grande.
Ano ba yung indicator niya?
Second shot, no good. Rebound Taro. Taro, grabbing all the way. Taro. Taro. Back to Kume. Kume for 3. No good, in and out. Martin. No good. Rebound pa rin. Follow up is good. Foul. Who's foul rep? 22. Pangilan si Mariano. First team foul. Ay, first personal foul. Penalty. Pag na, mamaya na. Taro for 3! Huli ka kay Ben! Ben! Grabe mo na way! Close to close! Grabe! Kitang-kita yun, Ben! From Antipolo to Baguio! Ay, Antipolo to Cainta. Sorry, my bad. Geometry na geometry. Alam ko, di mo alam yung sarcastic. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in third quarter. Lamang ng 8 ang team yellow. Pass to Alvin. Alvin for 3. Rebound Samson. May gulang yun, nakita ko eh. Taro! Kasat yun. 15 seconds shot clock. Fine Samson, 8 to shoot. Agaw ng Team White. Kuya Gabo, 1v1 situation. 3v3, 3v1 situation ng bitawan. Libre. No good! Rebound ni Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo. Corner 3! Bang! Our score. Our time. 40 seconds remaining. Our score, 68-63. Kuya Alvin, bubawi ng 3. Pangilan si Casey. Third personal foul.
And 1.
Kume with the 6th triple. Gusto ni Kume may sumasabay para ma-shoot. Kume, bonus shot. Is no good. Finds Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo handling the ball. 24 seconds remaining. Foul! Pangilan? Ay hindi. Who's foul rep? 15. 16. First personal foul. Pangilan team foul? Third team foul. 10 foul ka na. Ba't di ka pa-graduate? No shot clock. 24 seconds remaining. Kuya Gabo driving. Floater. No good. Rebound Kuya Martin. 3v2 situation. Fine. Samson. Samson for 3. No good. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cash out! No!
Ano mo, diretso?
Kahit ano. Basta yung malinis at di madulas.
Ay pala. Uy, dito ka dito. Asa ka nagtitipin? Ikaw na. Oo. Trabaho mo talaga.
Back to the ball game. Kels handling the ball. Thought about the three. Passes to RJ. RJ finds Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin pull up. No good. Rebound Mariano. Oh! Stepping on the line. Ang laki ng paa.
Ang laki kasi ng mukha mo eh.
Uy. Offensive pa.
Offensive foul.
Kels grabbing. Pull up. Short. Rebound Kels pa rin. No. Tago ni Bene. Sa kanya to. Bene. Tapik kay Kuya Gabo. 18 second shot clock. Kuya. Kume. Finds JJ for three. No good. Kume. No fouls called. Rebound Ben. Ben. Sa kanya na raw to. Napitawan ng bola. Naagaw ni Kels. Kels finds Kume. Finds Kuya Martin. Kuha ni Kels. Pasa kay Kuya Me. Kume. Kuya Martin. Short. Rebound Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo. Grabbing the ball. Huli. Pass to Kume.
Nice.
Easy 2 points. Lamang ng 10 ang Team Yellow. Mariano, libre-libre sa ilalim. Foul, James. Panginoon si James. First personal foul, first team foul. Pasok ang pasok, labas ang lumabas. Hoy, 10 yan, 10 yan. Wala pa. Ata, isa pa lang. Second shot. No good. Rebound Kume. Oh, nabitawan ng bola. Kume. Finds RJ. RJ. Finds James libre sa ilalim. It's good.
Kasi alam mo parang magpapera.
At saka next week na.
Foul. Who's foul, ref? 23. Second personal foul, second team foul. 23. Si James. Hindi ko nakita. Okay, scored by Kuya Aman. Ito. Okay. RJ libre sa 3. No, then right. No good. Agawa ka. Hindi, wait lang. Agawa kay James.
Arson James!
Yes. No foul. No foul.
Nice one, James!
12 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Team Yellow. Kuya Gabo. Nice move. Kuya Gabo. Back to lead. Yes, finds Kuya Martin. Easy 2 points.
Big yan eh, matangkad eh.
James, sundot ulit!
Annoying.
Leads back to 12. Rabena, huli ka kay Martin. Sabra, pasok ang pumasok, labas ang lumabas. Tutak. Lumugong.
Nailaw kasi.
Ang daming gamo-gamo ngayon.
Ha?
Casey. Finds Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo for 3. 3 is good!
Ako ba meron?
Kuya Martin. Bawang doon sa ilalim. No, nakabang Team White. Team White. Kuya Gabo driving. Coast to coast. Is good by Kuya Gabo. Our score is Lead is cut down by 7. Kels, 10 to shoot.
Yan, ito video.
Kume, that is his 7th three of the game. Lead is 10. Mariano. No good.
Wala.
Ano mo?
Wala.
Dami usunan. Shoot. Sub. Paro, anak ng bola. Points kay Martin, libre sa ilan si Kels Pao. Sino Pao? Kuya Gabot? Pang ilan? Third personal foul, first team foul. Pasok ba? Second shot, no good. Agaw ni Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo nagmamadali. Kuya Gabo nagkabuhulan ng depensa. Pasok ba? Shot naman pa ko eh. Kume, pass to Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin, easy to po. Oh, that
Nice
pass is no
one!
good. Napalakas ang pasa. Sub. Pasok. Time out. Team. Dakay Mac. Dami ng pagkakas. 15 second shot clock. Last 5 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Hindi pa rin ang nakakasang ni Taro. Kuya Martin, tumira na. No. Take 3. Pull up jumper.
Nice
So,
one.
what? Outlet pass to Bene. Bene for 3.
Yeah.
Is good. Lead is back to 10. Kume?
Shoot.
No good. Iyon ay pag-agawan ng buko. Kume. RJ. Passes to Taro. Pass to Kume. 12 second shot clock.
Oy.
No foul scored. Pero receive ang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 is no good. Rebound ni Taro.
Foul.
Kuya Gabo, warning for graduation. Second team foul. RJ for 3.
Wow.
Is good. Kuya Gabo. Casey. Casey,
Wala.
siya titira. Huli ka!
Nice one.
Taro, ikasot mo na. Our score is 79-92. In favor of Team Yellow. Ino, nakagaw. 3v2 situation. Ino is good. Layup by Ino is good. Mariano, foul Ino. Ino, graduate ka na. Second team foul.
Kana kasi.
Bonus shot is good. Taro, pull up three. Nani ka sa demonyo, pull up three. 10 seconds to shoot. Taro, pull up three. Kels. Kuya Gabo, dropping the ball. Sakaya na raw to, going coast to coast. Nice shot by Kuya Gabo. Lead is cut down by 10. 3 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Back to 12 ang lead. Kuya Gabo. Double team by Team Yellow. Passes to Nick. Foul, Taro. Bakit na si Taro? Second personal foul, third team foul.
Nice.
White ball. Napik raw ni Sean. Ay, sino ba? Si Sean ba? Ano si Paul? Kuya Gabo. Step through. No good. Rebound Mariano. Mariano. No good. Rebound Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman for 3. No good. Tapik kay Mariano. Mariano. 2 points. Back to 10 on the lead. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Sino? Last 2 minutes! Parlay! No good! 2v1 situation, no. 2v2 situation, Bene! Foul! And 1! Who's foul rep? Panginoon si Taro. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. Taro, cash out! Cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Bonus shot ni Ben. Wala nga. Eight. Leading by 8 on Team Yellow. 13 second shot clock. Taro! No! Tira ka na 3! No good! Rebound Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin, power mo sa ilalim. Hindi pa siya ng 3. Fans, Mariano. Mariano, fans, Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo, pushing the ball. Kuya Gabo, pushing the ball. 10 seconds remaining in the shot clock.
Wala!
It's good! 6 na lang. Last 1 minute. Lead is cut down by 6. Taro. 15 seconds shot clock. Taro! Cash out! Cash out! Bene! What about the 3? No foul is called. Wala pa rin. 2 points. Our score, 96-92. Lead is cut down by 4. 30 seconds remaining. Who's foul rep? Time out daw. Time out. Maglaoy. Saglit ka, halika dito.
Hello.
Okay. Tama. 20 seconds shot clock.
Wala!
Wait,
Wala! Wala!
Foul! Kuya Martin.
Wala na!
Okay na si Kuya Martin. Second personal foul, penalty. Our score 96-92. Time remaining 14 seconds. Ah, tak! Dami ka magamago. Sub? Sub daw. Sub daw. Mamaya. Pangalawa. No good ang person ni Kuya Gabo. Nagtatayuan na ang mga tao ulit. Kuya Gabo, second shot.
Wala! Wala!
No good! Rebound ni Kume. Oh! Ano violation? Fourteen seconds remaining in the ball game. Kuya Martin, nakalusot. Kuya Martin, hindi kinakawal ng Team White. Hindi kinuha ni Nate. Sayang.
Ay!
8 seconds remaining in the ball game. Team Yellow is leading by 4. Taro. Saan si Taro? Kume, may hawak ng bola. Kume. Foul. Mariano. Pangilan si Mariano. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Pasok!
Dinisin niyo muna. Time out daw, wait ah. Time out! Alright. Time remaining 6 seconds in the ball game. Wala si Kusey. Habang ang Team White dito with 6 seconds remaining. May timeout pa ba sila? May timeout pa ang Team White. Ah, wala na. Yung Yellow. Wala na rin.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdose on confidence.
Nantatrap na ang Team Yellow.
In the consequence, drinking every
Ah, hindi. May one timeout pa ang Team Yellow.
hated way too long. I'm floating in and out of consciousness.
Oy, hinahin yung kanta.
Agree with that.
Kuya Gabo driving the ball. 3 seconds remaining. Kuya Gabo for 3. No good! And that's the end of the ball game. Our score 97-92.